Today we're going to be changing out the turn signal bulb on our 2012 Chevy Camaro. We have 3 clips we have to get out. There's one here, one here, one here. You can use our pry tool to start it right here. There's a little notch you can do it. Start it right there. Pry it up a little bit and then get our prong and we'll pull it out. Okay, it comes out. The whole thing comes out and then you can get this out. Okay, so. Now that you have your clips out, we're going to take this plastic piece off, just like that. Now you have access to your light bulbs. So this one is right here. This is the one we're going to be doing. You have one that's over here, and then there's one that's right here. So we're going to twist that, just twist it like this, and pull it out, and pop your bulb out. Now, we have a 3157 direct replacement for this. And I'm going to grab some gloves and get my bulb out. And we're going to put it in here, just like this. There we go. And twist. And that's how you change out your turn signal on your 2012 Chevy Camaro. We change out the bulb here and here. The process is the same for both of them. And once you get inside, you can turn each one of them to the left and they both come out. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.